Welcome back to a different type of channel now. I've now gone from a TT into a TTRS Roadster. So I've now got some alterations and bits and pieces I need to do to the new car. So the first thing is, I don't have the B&O system in the new Roadster. And a lot of them, what I was looking at online, hardly had the B&O systems. You'll remember from a previous car, I had these B&O speaker grills with the lighting, which lights up here. Well, I'm going to put these in the new one. But the good thing is, with the RS, I've got the LED ambient lighting in the door cards. So much more simple procedure. So I've got wiring looms. So I'm going to strip this off of the wiring loom, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to tap it into the door cards, what I've got at the moment, into one of the lighting looms, maybe the one that's underneath the door bucket, or maybe the one that's going right the way across underneath the long light that you get just near the handle. So should be an easy process, much easier now because I've now got power obviously going into that, whereas in the last doors I didn't have the LED lighting, so I had no power to plug these into, which was kind of confusing what to actually do. So should be an easy pop out, pop in, strip these out the loom, tap them in or splice them into the existing one, and then hopefully we'll have a wiring loom. And I've got a little helper here. Coco, you going to help? Yeah, he just likes chewing on the cables, so I've got to hide all my wiring looms, otherwise he just chews on them and I won't have them either. Anyway, let's get on with it. Okay, here's the door card. So what I'm going to do is take out this speaker. Basically, that's just a bog standard speaker which comes out. If you want to know how to take the actual door cards off, go and look at one of my previous videos, a couple of videos back. I'll put a link in the description, and it shows how you can remove these door cards easily just by the trim tool under and then just pop, and it all pops out these sections here. All the way around here they just pop out, and then this part here just clips into a metal clip, and they just hook over the door. Right, so I've got these clips which I just need to pop out, and what I did last time, I used a very small screwdriver, and I think you just kind of leverage it, but I need two hands, so I'm going to put the camera down. Might be able to film from here. There we go. You just kind of have to find the weaker ones first. There we go. Pretty much when you loosen a couple of them, then it comes off. So it's this one. You see it's got all the lighting going around this bit here. So they fit in this way round. Just an easy. Just make sure all the clips are all clipped in. It looks very much like they are. There's lighting here that goes underneath into this little bucket here. There's lighting that goes up to there's the lighting strip here. Need to find out what powers that, and there's that light there. Also we've got the puddle light, but I won't mess with that. I think I'm gonna wire it into this light. I think that's the most obvious and nearest. It's here, and the good thing is the colour of the cable here, brown and grey on this one here, matching. Should be a simple just splice from there into there. So let's see how I get on. There's more than enough cable here. There we go. Don't need that anymore. Okay. Right, so I'm gonna get all three pieces together, and I'm gonna use one of these. I'm gonna shove them all in. There we go. You can tell, you can see they're all together there. Okay, now just clip it all back up and get it in the car. Okay, grill's all in. Just got to put this one back. This is a replacement one as well, even though there's no speaker behind it, but I'm going to upgrade these speakers anyway, so there may be one day. Okay, so there's the B&O speakers now. Obviously not the speakers, just the speaker grills, but I'm going to upgrade the speakers, as I say. And also, little addition, put some RS colour badges on the seats as well, just to make them pop a little bit, even though they do anyway because they've got this nice blue stitch in. I think the contrast of red, blue, white kind of goes. Now let's wait for tonight when we can really see